Hello and welcome to another video. If you're new around here, my name is the Dumb Bullet, and today we are driving a DAF XF as a reaction to it. So I don't think I've driven this truck before. To tell you the specifics, it is the DAF XF105 Super Space. So if you go to the DAF dealership, it's the one at the end. Today's journey, we are transporting fillets of cod from here in Vestmannaeyjar, and we are going to Reykjavik again. Surprising. The original one was supposed to be down here in Keflavik, but that seems to have gone now. So yep, this is the journey we're taking. We might need to fuel up on the way, but the interior looks like this. I got the Blue Dragon light just because the vehicle's blue. You might notice the decal is also a Galaxy decal. So there's a few things I want to point out about this truck. The fact that it can go from 0 to gear 10 or gear 11 without a load. The fact that the gear ratios on this are messed up. Gear 11 is the 50-mile-an-hour speed limit. With a load, apparently you can't go at 11, so I am going at 9 currently. So I did have to fuel up when I got here. This is a brand new truck. I say brand new because I just bought it, and I shouldn't be speeding. I'm not speeding. Now, the engine braking on this is loud, but it's not as loud as a Renault. That was just horrendous. So, driving here, the driving's been okay. It's just the gears. As you can see, I'm in gear 10 and I'm only doing 31 miles an hour. So that is a bit of a problem. And we have a red light. So now we wait. Just because no one's here doesn't mean we can't follow the law. As you can see, nobody is here. But still have to stop at red lights because you don't know who is in no clip mode around you. And because I'm recording, so it would be instant incrimination. So we are catching the ferry here now. Do I just yeet it over there? Yes, I do. The ferry system here is a one-way system, but like you can only go on and off one way, so it's like this is just across like a little bit of water, even though we could clearly go around it. So here we are. You can completely ignore the fact that I'm here. Idiot. I was on that bridge before he was. You guys saw it. That is a strange collision there, though, because this is actually supposed to be a non-collision zone for that reason. I didn't take out that sign, don't worry. So it's an alright truck as in driving, but the gear ratios are rubbish. Unfortunately, I hate to admit it, this could potentially be a challenger to the Ice Road series. So, just saying, if you're a DAF fan, you might see a DAF in the lineup. If you're not, then you could see a Mercedes, a Volvo, or even a Scania. So, I'm still not sure yet. It's weird me saying that I kind of like this truck because I call it a daft, because it is. It's daft. It makes stupid little things, including the gears. So I just thought it was a responsible name to call it. A daft. I mean, it's not exactly the prettiest thing in the world either, so I don't know. Some people seem to like the way this truck looks for some reason. Or like the way these trucks look. Now, something I'm guessing I'm going to be asked a bit is, are you going to be reviewing all the trucks in the game? Yes, I'm reviewing all the vehicles in Truckers MP, simply because I can. And I can give you guys an honest opinion. You guys get a view of what it's like and how long it actually takes to do the deliveries in those trucks, so you can choose which truck you'd prefer to use. Might not be your favourite truck, but I can assure you the Daft is not my favourite truck. But I am still going to drive it. I could still use this as a potential vehicle for the ice road. I've obviously only tested it without a load, and I haven't even been on snow, and I don't think our route actually includes snow, so that's always fun. So we'll have to do a snow test, either on or off film. So the reason I don't know what I've been asked in the comments yet is, once again, I'm recording this kind of on the same day. I'm recording this at 2 AM. 2:09 is the time for me currently in the morning. Luckily I've got no uni tomorrow or the day after, so I can lie in, and over on LiveMe and Twitch, well technically today, I might be doing a Euro Truck Sim 24-hour video live stream. I'm not sure though. I will leave. I will still record videos out of it. So over on Twitch, if you want to see the gaming side of it, go to Twitch, and it's the Diamond_Bullet, I believe. Information or link will be in the description below if you guys want to come and join me. I don't have an estimation of when that's going to start, nor do I have an estimation of when it's going to end, but I assume from when it starts it's going to be about 24 hours. Now I have attempted a 24-hour stream before. It only lasted 12 hours, simply because I got a job, and that was a year ago. And last summer, so not the summer just gone, the summer before, I got a phone call about a job halfway through the stream, so that was fun. I'm not sure if the internet's going to be able to cope. It should be fine. If not, it'll probably be on live.me 1king55-TDB FM if you want to find me over on there instead of Twitch if you want to see my face instead of the game. So you can see the button, my steering wheel, my gear changes, all that. You just won't see the game. You'll see what you don't see during these videos. So you'll see the game, but you won't see the game. You'll see me, and on Twitch you'll see the game instead of me. So it depends on which view you want to see. I personally would recommend going to the live me, joining me for that stream while it's live, and then going over to Twitch and watching it as a replay, because Twitch doesn't like me, and every time I seem to want to watch my own streams just to check on it, it only goes to as far as when I joined from the start, which isn't making any sense to me. So if anyone knows why, please leave it in the comments below. But as a lot of you might know, I don't Twitch stream, so, well, I'm not often Twitch streaming. I will obviously still be recording some truck reviews during that stream, so that's fun. So I'm going to be recording during a stream. So I know there is a simple way of just letting the stream upload to your YouTube channel, but then you've got a 24-hour stream to go through, and I don't have the time. So don't have the time to record a 24-hour stream and then clip it out, make certain clips viewable. I'll just record the separate clips during the stream and upload some of them. So the goal for the stream pretty much is to play Euro Truck Sim for 24 hours and try and explore all of Iceland. Get some vehicle tests in. They might not be uploaded the same day, so they might not be uploaded tomorrow, but a lot of them should be. So it's like the funnest thing ever. I'm joking. But the reason I'm deciding to do an ETS 24-hour stream is just so that you guys can see how well these videos are unedited, so you automatically see how long it takes the different vehicles, but the 24-hour stream is pretty much to see how much I can do in 24 hours and hopefully get some like Streamlabs stuff sorted for Twitch, because the new steering wheel I want plus the stand comes plus another HDMI cable for a future monitor, so ignore the HDMI cable part. It comes to a total of £327.47. So that's what I am wanting. It's a GT Omega steering wheel stand for Logitech G2 920 racing wheel, pedals, gear shifter, and the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel and pedals plus gear shifter. That's what I'm wanting. That's the price. that's not the point of the stream. The point of the stream isn't to try and get money. The point of the stream is just to have fun. But I do want an upgrade from this shitty thing. And so far, this isn't serving me any justice. I've had to change the I have to keep changing the sensitivity simply because of how little the wheel actually needs to move. I mean, obviously it's going to be something to get used to, having a new wheel and new setup, but I think it would be pretty cool. A pretty cool addition. The monitor thing I'm not really concerned about, so the monitor situation is coming from a TV that I should be getting soon, so that's fun. And now that I'm here, that was actually really quick. It was 16 minutes. There's a Scania truck dealer there. I'm going to pull in here, which is where I need to be. Someone wants a load of forklifts delivering. They wanted parking over there. Question is, can I do it? I think my best option is this. To do it like this. There we go. Nice and easy. Just putting it in there like so. And get all the information. So it was 108 miles, 1 hour 53 minutes in-game time. I only consumed 51.3 litres of fuel. The distance between where I was coming from to pick up that load was like 6 hours. My legs are smooth from where my wheel's been. I do need a new wheel. Thank you guys for coming out and joining me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!